Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. And as you can probably see on my screen, today we'll be talking about Zenlink protocol. The Zenlink protocol, amazing project. So what is Zenlink all about? We're going to be looking basically at what is Zenlink all about, the major features that make up Zenlink, and why you may want to work with Zenlink, invest in Zenlink, trade with Zenlink, or buy their tokens and all that. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but this is a project I personally see as great and is going to stand the test of time. And you will find out exactly why as we go through this video. So Zenlink is a cross-chain decentralized exchange protocol for better composability DEX on Polkadot. You understand exactly what this means very soon. So no rush, we're not in a hurry. And so here we have it's an ultimate open and universal cross-chain DEX protocol for building decentralized exchanges on Polkadot with one click. And it makes DEX easier for more people. With this explanation right here, this highlighted explanation right here, this actually somehow summarizes why you may want to choose Zenlink, because Zenlink has a space for both the advantages of users and developers all in one protocol. So for the users, we have it's a universal cross-chain DEX protocol, right? And you might, if you're into the crypto space, you already know what that means. And for developers, you can deploy your own protocol, your own DEX on Polkadot with one click. Very easy. We'll see about that soon. So what is Zenlink? Zenlink is a one-stop shop for trading Polkadot assets, the DEX composable hub between all parachains. And parachains are actually most popular in the Polkadot ecosystem. And we'll be discussing this first feature very soon. How is this possible? How is it possible for one protocol to be a one-stop shop for all Polkadot trading assets? We're going to see about that very soon. So this is actually what makes Zenlink unique. This framework, this features and products. I'll call them products. So we have the Zenlink DEX protocol. So Zenlink DEX protocol is the underlying unified universal cross-chain DEX protocol. Now, not only is Zenlink all about linking right about every DEX dApp on Polkadot, Zenlink also aims at being a universal cross-chain decentralized exchange protocol, and this means that someday very soon we're going to be able to trade Polygon assets, Ethereum assets, BSC assets all on Zenlink protocol. And we don't have all the chains yet, but right now we can actually. Zenlink is already multi-chain, is already cross-chain, right? But we're looking at a time in Zenlink in the future where in Zenlink we'll be able to trade much more range of assets across different chains on Zenlink, and that's a wonderful one. So we also have the Zenlink DEX module. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a plug and play Polkadot network module based on Zenlink DEX protocol. This simply means that if you're a developer, you want to deploy your own DEX on Polkadot, you can use the Zenlink DEX module. All you need to do is plug. We'll get to that soon though. You plug and play. I'll explain that real soon in the next page we'll see right now. So we have the Zenlink DEX aggregator. So what the Zenlink DEX aggregator does is that it connects all DEX dApps on Polkadot, providing users with a one-click low slippage trading experience. So it is this Zenlink DEX aggregator that powers this highlighted text here. One-stop shop for trading Polkadot assets. So this DEX aggregator connects all DEX dApps on Polkadot. So that means that every asset you want to get on Polkadot, you can find them on Zenlink. And don't just find them on Zenlink, you actually transact as a user with one click, very fast trade, and there's low slippage, there's low fees, and it gives awesome trading experience for users. So we have the Zenlink DEX Composable Hub. So the Zenlink DEX Composable Hub is all about bringing each parachains who have built their own DEX with their own characteristics and connecting them to the Zenlink DEX module, and it becomes a powerful Polkadot DEX composable hub. And this is actually great. Now these features, if you actually followed carefully, are actually features that will make Zenlink indispensable in the Polkadot blockchain. If you ask me, I'll say that Zenlink is a part of the Polkadot blockchain that is not going nowhere. It's actually here to stay, because these features are, wow, they're great. So now we have the Zenlink DEX module. So the features of the DEX module is it's plug and play. All you need to do is plug the Zenlink DEX module into your parachain code by way of palette, and upgrading is actually very easy. To upgrade, different versions upgrades are going to be released periodically, and to upgrade, all you need to do is replace the DEX module and the previous one with the latest one. That's the latest version. To upgrade to the latest version, right? And you benefit from all the features that are going to be released from time to time. Then there's composability and interoperability. So interoperability is more about sharing of data. Sharing, yeah. I'll just use that word, sharing. So we have here, it's written that it enables customizable combinations and interoperability with more DeFi modules, such as integrating with privacy modules to build DEX privacy DEX, right? So that is that about the DEX module. And why Zenlink? We mentioned earlier that Zenlink is a platform or a protocol that has both users and developers in mind in all their inventions. Zenlink is more about giving and spreading the word and spreading the technology. They're not about holding back, and that is actually my favorite thing about Zenlink. So Zenlink, for developers, we have one click to deploy your own DEX. We have one click connection to the Zenlink DEX aggregator. So if you've got a DEX, you're a developer, your DEX is on Polkadot, all you need to do is to connect to the Zenlink DEX aggregator and make your assets available to the Zenlink platform. The Zenlink protocol is it's one click, very easily. You don't need to go through a lot of bureaucratic processes to do that. And for users, we have share the full liquidity of Zenlink. We have perception-free cross-chain, and we have rich composability DEX experience, all for users. And how Zenlink works, it's 3 steps. You can actually go through that later. And the roadmap needs updating, but is it right up? We've seen actually right about the major things we want to do. You can go through this later, the 3 steps on how Zenlink works. So here, users, why users would want to use Zenlink, and why developers would want to use Zenlink too. It's powerful, my favorite thing about them. And the Zenlink DEX module, great. DEX protocol, DEX aggregator, DEX composable hub, and the Zenlink DEX module, which make up the Zenlink framework, also very amazing. Also very amazing, yeah. So that is right about that on this video, guys. In the next video, like I said, going through we'll be launching the app. Oh, I'm tempted to touch right now. We'll be clicking this launch app and seeing right about and going through the different features of the Zenlink DEX protocol, how to trade, and every other thing. Thank you guys for staying with me till the end. I love you guys and see you in the next video. Thank you.